How to add pickup note on Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a pickup note. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see this search bar. Simply tap on the location that you want to go into. So here there are starting and destination point. So you can simply select it and here simply tap on it. Now there are different car options that you can select from. Simply tap on select standard. Now here on the bottom, you can see the option called add note for the driver. Simply tap on it. So here there are different options that you can set it. Here you can manually type anything that you want the rider to know about. So here you can give any information to the rider and simply tap on add note and you're all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.